Hello YouTube, Chris with Calzona Outdoors out here on the river on another beautiful day, and I thought I'd take a minute and show you my canteen cooking system. So first off, on the outside, obviously to cook we need fire, so inside here I keep just a simple Coghlan's ferro rod and striker. I took off the original lanyard and replaced it with tender cord, so you can pull it out and, you know, strip it down and have some tinder available if you have nothing else, and strike you a fire. Next we have a watertight container with matches inside. Let's move this forward. And we have some cotton inside for tinder. There's no petroleum or anything, just fluff it up. And it's just standard cotton. And inside we have matches and a striker, and also inside there's a few strike on anywhere matches. And on the outside of these, if you're totally out of luck, on the back it does have a small, tiny little ferro rod striker. Maybe I'll try and use that one of these days, see how that works. So that's for our combustion devices. On the other side, to aid with starting a fire, we have some wet fire tinders. I keep 2 of them inside there. Just break them down and they take a spark really well, and that's guaranteed to get you some fire. Got one of our neighbors out here also out to enjoy the day. Looks like he's turning around, so we'll just go ahead and keep filming. Next we have in case that you cannot start a fire and need to purify water on the go, we have potable aqua iodine tablets for purification. And to go along with that, we have the PA Plus neutralizing tablets to get rid of that iodine taste. Inside, just loosen this up. And we have our canteen that we keep full of water coming out on outings. And further inside we have of course everything's more difficult when we're filming, right? So we have our canteen cup and our stove. And this can just sit directly on any fire that you have and you're cooking. So further inside, behind the flap, we have our titanium spork that we use for cooking and eating. Just gonna set that there. And further inside we have the lid to our canteen cup. And this will, either for cooking, just sit there and allow your water to heat faster, and it'll go ahead and snap down also, just for convenience purposes. Well, that's it for the canteen cooking system. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.